Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. In today's video, we're going to be trying on some new contact lenses. I had some lenses sent to me from FreshGo, and we have two colors of packaging in there. We have the brown and the green as well, and the package came in just your regular USPS packaging, and that's pretty much all that we have going on with the packaging. And judging by how small the packaging looks, I don't think this comes with casing for the lenses. I don't know if you have to buy that separately on the website or something. It would have been nice if they did come with their own casing, because that would just make storing and keeping your lens super easy. But anyways, you guys, we're just going to head right into the try-on part, and I'm going to bring you guys closer so that you can get a better view. Alright you guys, so this is the first one I have to show you guys, and this one is kind of like a light shade of green, and I think I can see a hint of gray somewhere in there, and she's striking and all up in your face. I feel like I'm looking into your soul with this one, but there's also something very sexy and nice about her, so I definitely love this one. It was super easy to put on, feels really comfortable, and you guys, there's not much to say. She's all up in your business, but we love her, so I'm just going to go ahead and move on to the next one. So this is the next one I have to show you guys, and this one is just a very light shade of brown. And you guys, I think I'm going to have issues picking my favorite today, because can we get into this one? I love it. I love the tones and everything that we have going on with this one. If you're looking for a nice shade of brown that's not doing the most, that is subtle, calm, I think this is a nice one to try out. And this was also very easy to put on, feels really comfortable and nice, and I love it. I honestly don't know which I'm going to be taking pictures with today, because boy, this also looks so good. And I just realized that I didn't show you guys what we have in the packaging, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. We have nothing besides the lenses in their different packaging in there, and that's pretty much all that we have going on inside the packaging. So yeah, let's just go ahead and move on to the next one. I'm pretty excited, you guys. The first two I'm really impressed with, so I can't wait to see what we have with the others. So this is the next one I have to show you guys, and this one, the color is quite tricky. On camera and in my viewfinder, it looks like a very deep shade of gray, and I think the name has something to do with gray. And looking at her in my mirror, I can see like a dark shade of green with a hint of yellow in there, but I think it's coming off as gray on camera. And I really love how this one looks, because this just looks like my natural eye color. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing anything. So this would be nice on days when I don't want to, you know, feel like I'm wearing contact lenses, but still use my eye color a little bit. I feel like this would be very nice, and she was super easy to put on as well. Feels really comfortable and nice, and yeah, you guys, I love her. That's pretty much all I have to say about this one, so we're just going to go ahead and move on to the next one. This is the next one I have to show you guys, and this one is just a very light shade of gray. She feels really comfortable and nice as well. This is another striking all up in your face kind of vibe, depending on what you're going for. I think she's still worth buying as well if you want to spice up your makeup look, or you're going for a particular kind of vibe. This is also a nice one to try out. So yeah, you guys, there's not much to say about this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and move on to the next one. So this is the last one I have to show you guys, and this one is just a very light shade of brown. It looks very similar to the previous light brown shade that we tried on earlier, and I really like her as well. Feels really nice and striking and subtle, and you know, serving us good vibes. I love it. It was super easy to put on, feels really nice and comfortable, you guys already know. So yeah, so that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. Direct link, every information that you need is going to be in the description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and let me know which one was your favorite. Like I predicted earlier, I have too many favorites today. I think the first two that I tried on and this one are definitely my top 3. And yeah, so guys, let me know which one were you feeling the most. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.